Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fine beta. Dear students, we are doing chapter 8 commercial maths and in that we have done recap exercise. Now let us move on. The next concept which we have to do today is proportion. Ratio proportion, this chapter we have already done in previous class, so today we will only revise it. Okay? Dear students, we know what is proportion. Equality of ratios means when two ratios are equal, then the ratios are called a proportion. For example, I am writing first ratio 2:4, another ratio 4:8. These two ratios are equal. How? We know that ratios are in simplest form always. So when we will write it in simplest form, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2:4 in simplest form will be 1:2. In the same way, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This will be also 1:2. It means these two ratios, 2:4 and 4:8, these two ratios are equal. So when the ratios are equal, they are called a proportion. It means these are in proportion because these are equal. So when ratios are equal, then we write proportion sign as like 4 dots. And how do we speak it? 2:4 is as 4:8. This is the sign of proportionality. Okay? Now this in proportion there are always 4 terms. This is A, B, C, D. This term is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay? These terms A and D are called extremes. What are these called? Extremes. These which are inside B and C, these are called middle terms. Middle terms or mean terms. Middle terms or mean terms. Okay? When the ratios are in proportion, then always product of extremes is equal to product of means. You can check here, product of extremes. What are the extreme terms? 2 and 8. If you will find out product, 2 multiply 8, that is 16. And product of means, what are the mean terms or middle terms? 4 and 4. 4 multiply 4, that is also 16. So when the terms are in proportion, it will be always that product of extremes is equal to product of means, and on the basis of this we have done many questions in class 6 also, and today also in our exercise 8.1 we will do. Okay? Dear students, exercise 8.1 question 1. Find whether following ratios are in proportion or not. We have just done that. How to find out? We have to tell it 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. In fraction form it is given. Firstly we will write it in the ratio. 4 by 10 will become 4:10. 2 by 5 will become 2:5. Now we have to find out, are these in proportion or not? We know that equality of ratios is called proportion. So if the ratios will be equal, then product of extremes will be equal to product of means. So we will find out the product of extremes and product of product will not be same, then these are not in proportion. So do this yourself. Now question 2 of exercise 8.1. Find the value of x for the ratios which are given in proportion. These two ratios are already in proportion and we have to find the value of x. So how we will do this? We know that if the terms are in proportion, then product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. What is the product of extremes? 3 multiply 20 is equal to product of means 4 multiply x. We have to find the value of x. So x will be here only. This side we will move 4 to that side. 4 is in multiplication with x. After changing side, we will take 4 this left side. So after changing side, 4 will be in division. Now 3 multiply 20 divided by 4. Now cut. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20. What is left in the numerator? 3 multiply 15. So x is equal to 15 answer. In this way you will do other parts. Okay. Now we will do question 7. Question 7 statement is a team won 4 games. A team won 4 games and lost 5 games. Find ratios of first part is the game won to game played. Means here it is given a team which played some games. Out of those 4 games, team has won, 5 game team has lost. So how many total games team has played? Total are 4 and 5, that is 9. So in solution we will write total games played is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. Game won is equal to how many? Won 4 games. And game lost. How many lost? 5. Now in A part we have to find what the ratio of game won, ratio of game won to game played. So we have not to change the order, which is written first, then we will write first. Game won, ratio sign to game played. How many game won? 4 is to game played. Total game played are 9. We have to write in the simplest form, but you can see 4 is to 9 is already in the simplest form. Okay. So in this way you can do next part also. Now our next question is if angles of a triangle. If angles of a triangle are in the ratio 4 is to 4 is to 2, find each angle. We have done such type of sum also in the previous class, that if the ratio is given and we have to find out actual value, then we take the help of any variable. Okay. Ratio of angles is equal to 4 is to 4 is to 2. Let angles are we will multiply a variable with these 4x, 4x and 2x. These are the 3 angles and we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. We have done in the earlier chapter only that how to add the like terms. We add their coefficients. 4 plus 2 that is 10. X is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree by 10, 18 degree. Now we are having value of x. Now we can find the actual value of the angles. First angle is equal to 4x. 4x means 4 multiply x. And what is x? 18 degree. So it is 72 degree. Second angle is also 4x. So second angle is also equal to 72 degree. Now third angle is equal to 2x. 2x means 2 multiply x, and that is 2 multiply 18 degree, that is 36 degree. Okay. Now these are the value of the three angles: 72 degree, 36 degree. If you want to check your answer, you can check also. 72 degree